welcome back to the channel. I'm Styles by Lovey, and baby, I love all things beautiful. I'm on my way to do some last minute shopping for the kids for back to school, and I decided to go into Primark and let's see what's new in for autumn. I'm sure this video, by the time you see it, it would be a week in. So if you're wondering which location I'm at my local Primark, and it's at the West Bromwich location. So we're going to be doing voiceover on this section of the video, because we all know there's never a day where Primark is never busy and noisy. So we know we're into the autumn winter and into that transitional weather, and I sort of love these knitted cardigans and jumpers. I feel like Primark has a wide variety and colors, and the price range is not that bad. As you see, that cream one is just £13, and I feel like majority of them are around that sort of price range. And you all already know I'm a nude baby. I love nude colors. That's my color palette. These pullovers, I feel like they're still giving a bit of color, a bit of fun, and these were only £10. I fell in love with this cream color. It sort of have that dramatic shoulders, and I feel like it's a sort of a statement piece. That's what it's looking like on the display there. And this red one is absolutely stunning. I love the color. The knitting in it looks really expensive, and this one's just £12. And we have that sort of cream color to it as well. Onto some coats. And Primark is giving. They are giving with the coats, yeah. So that red one there, there is 3 different colors, nice gray and that sort of blue, and you also have it in black, and these were just £23. This one is a sort of trench, and they have that tie detail at the waist, and I think this one was £30. I love this grey coat here. It's a sort of a trench or midi length, and this one is £30. I think the quality of it looks really thick. This one is absolutely a trench. I love the pockets, the buttons, the way the coat was tailored and designed. It's stunning, and this was £35. This one is beautiful as well, and this one was a bit on the lower end, and this one was £25. And of course, you can't go wrong with a fluffy coat. We get into that time where, you know, we want to feel warm. The weather is a bit bipolar at the minute, but you want to make sure you're all nice and cozy and warm. I love this one there. The sleeve is a sort of puff sleeve. This section has had me over the moon. The colors, it's the colors for me. The nudes, shades of nude. Oh, look at this jumper here, the color blocking, it's beautiful. Properly well tailored blazer here, £15. That's not bad at all. They sort of bringing out scarves and gloves and all that good stuff. And of course, you know, Primark always come with these cords, these matching joggers and and jumper sets. And this is the Disney section. And guys, I'm showing you the stuff that caught my eyes and stuff that I would wear myself. And I feel like these are pieces that you can layer up as well for the much cooler days. The material is really soft and I feel like it will be comfortable on the skin, and these were just £5. I am definitely giving you a wide range and a wide variety of the different types of jumpers, sweaters, cardigans. The words on this one caught my eye: do what you love. Okay. And it's £10. If it's your first time stopping by around here, if you like my personality, if you like my vibes or whatever I'm offering on here, please subscribe to the channel, leave a like on this video, turn on your post notifications so you'll never miss another video from me again, and please share my videos with your world, okay? And also, if you're on Instagram and on TikTok, catch me up there at Stylesbylovey_. In this section of the video, this cord set sort of caught my eyes. I love the color, I love the printing on it, and the top is just £10. And of course they had the matching joggers as well. They had this sort of crossbody bag to go with it. Look at this section here. Look at that orange. Stunning, in it. It's stunning. I love this set. I love this set, guys. Probably look out for my haul. This joggers hair, I felt like the detail on it, it looked really expensive, and this was just £12. I feel like you can find this in Zara. And this one as well, the detail on it is a sort of ribbon detail, and this one is £13. I think this is a matching piece as well. This suit here just it's giving back to work, back to the office. I love the color, it's very versatile. This suit here as well, and to be fair, these suits in Primark, they are not too heavy, they are really lightweight, and it would still sort of keep you warm. And of course, you know, we're already in that time of the year where you got to pull your boots out. And I love these boots here. I always go for a round tip boot. I don't like pointy tips because I'm a short person. So these sorts of boots will catch my eyes, and this one is a sort of it's giving me military look. And that was just £16. This white boot, it's a statement piece, I think, and it's just £16. Of course, you're gonna be seeing your wellies, knee high. These ones just £9, and the knee high is, I think, £10. I'm showing you a wide variety of boots, guys. Autumn is one of my favorite time of the year. If autumn is one of your favorite time of the year, you can feel free to comment that in the comment section. And if you're looking for gloves on the lower price range, Primark is a place for that. You'll get gloves within this one here is just £8. The one I showed before was £5. And if you're not into the dramatic sort of gloves, they got the regular basic type of gloves, and these £1. These are £1. I mean, these blouses, they are beautiful. I love the printing of it. It's these sort of chiffon material, and it's really flowing, really airy, very lightweight, and it's sort of most of them give a sort of a high neckline, and I think you can pair these well with trousers, shorts, skirts, and they are £11. So if you're looking at stuff that you can wear back to work and you want to keep that smart look, these blouses are stunning. This one here is one of my favorite, and Primark brought out a lot of these. These jackets are really lightweight in all these shades of nude, guys, nude, and these were just £15. These skirts, they are absolutely beautiful. I love them. I think you can pair these with a nice chiffon blouse as well, a bodysuit, so a pair of boots and some tights, you know, throw a nice blazer or a coat over it, and yeah, you'll be ready for whatever the occasion is. I saw these heart pillows and it really caught my eyes, and they have it in this sort of coral color, gray, and I think it's a cream or white. Look more on the cream side, and these were £3. So that's the end of my Primark Come Shop With Me for the month of September. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, yeah, and make sure to make your today better than yesterday. Be you, be true to yourself, and be kind to others. See you in my next one. Bye 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 bye.